Are you tired of rummaging through cluttered bags for your electronic accessories? Let me introduce you to the Inateck Crossbody organizer bag here, the FB0 2001. A sleek, practical and well-designed solution to keep your gear secure and easily accessible, whether you're commuting to work or setting off on your next adventure. It comes with plenty of compartments here, perfect for storing your mobile phones, cables, power banks, wallet, cards, batteries, your gaming console here like the Nintendo Switch, and even a small camera here along with additional gadgets. Curious? Let's unpack it and dive into the specs. But before we begin, I want to be fully transparent. Inateck sent this bag for free in exchange for an honest review, and as always, they haven't seen this video beforehand. And just a quick reminder, if this video helps you out, please give it a like and subscribe. It's a small gesture that helps growing this channel and brings more content like this to your way. That said, let's jump right into it. Alright, let's unpack the Inateck Crossbody organizer bag. You can see here the packaging, enhance your digital life. And here you have the Inateck logo. In the inside you have the bag. And here is the bag. It comes in a flat matte finish here. The design looks awesome. You also have some reflector elements here. And there you have the woven tough zipper as we used to. So they are, as you can see here, they have a very high quality as usual, and they're sealed. On the outside you have here a small sling that you can carry it directly, and on the other side you have also a small pocket here, plus the Inateck label looks really great here. And on the back side you have also a possibility to carry it here, and you have a separate zipper compartment here on the outside. So this is the side you carry it on your body, so you can put here some important stuff like a wallet or so. Alright, additionally you can see here already the elements where you can put in your sling. Then I assume it's inside. Let's open it. And it opens 135 degrees, plus there are magnets inside. So you can put this down here and it attaches to the bag through its magnetic design. So it is open and you can use it here on your table. That's very convenient. Plus here is the strap, so the sling for carrying it, and it comes with a very cool shoulder pad here, as you can see, so it doesn't hurt your shoulder. That's also really great. There is an adjustment belt. You can adjust the length of the sling. And when you find the right place, you can simply fix it here with a one-hand move. Here on that side you can see the closures here. So this is the counterpart to the other side. Click. And it's very strong. Plus you can carry it in any direction you want. So this is flexible. You can move this. So this is really great. Strap, and on the other side you can also do it here with a simple click. And you can carry it then this way. Alright, I think this was everything from the outside. So in the inside you have this key holder again, so this tiny hook. Then you have here another compartment. So when you open it here and you fix it with the magnets, you can simply grab some stuff here out of this pocket. So this is really cool. Plus here on the back side you have several compartments. As you can see here, you can open them, and here it's also, that's really nice, with a plush inlay so that your devices will not be harmed. Alright, and then you have also some other compartments, and you have a Velcro fastener here that you can fix it here on that side in the inside on the one hand, or you can use it also to fix it here, that you have more space in the front here. Then you have two elastic band compartments, so we don't need this one. So you have two elastic band compartments here, so you can here open this as well. Plus on the other side 2. So you have here just Inateck, and you have a lot of elastic bands here that you can store here some kind of SD cards or games for your Switch. I think this should fit very well here, plus larger stuff for cables, for example. And in the front compartment you can put here some chargers, power banks or other stuff you like. So then let's open this one again. So here you can also store safely your additional stuff which needs more space. So for example, I have this iWatch charger, so you can use it here in this compartment. Then you have a separate one behind it, plus another one with a zipper. So additionally you can store here something you want to have protected via zipper, and you can simply close it. Alright, and as already mentioned, the backside compartment here, as you can see, is completely protected via this plush material. I really like it. So when you put here a Switch in it, there are no scratches on your gaming console. Alright, and I think that's it. And you can simply close it here. And it's well protected also against, I would say, light rain or so. So this is really great. So all in all, it looks like it has a high quality. I think it's the same material like I already showed you on the sling bag. So my first review, you can watch here, the first review of my sling bag, the bigger one, the 4-liter one. And I think this is the same material plus the same reflector here. So, unpacking is done. First impressions, this bag already looks amazing. After trying it out, I would say one of its standout features is its unique design, specifically the wide 135-degree opening and the foldable magnetic cover here. It's not just for show. These features make accessing your items here super easy and even allow the bag to transform in the mobile workstation. And speaking of unique design, they also have another tech storage bag with a 180-degree volcanic design. Maybe you could check it out as well. I have already made a review right here. But back to this bag though. Picture this, you're at a cafe or on a train, and with just one motion the bag unfolds to reveal a clear, organized view of all your essentials. Perfect for gadget, cables or anything else you need to grab quickly. The interior layout is just as impressive. It's thoughtfully designed to keep everything in its place. With adjustable devices here, partly realized by Velcro fasteners, the main compartment can be customized for your specific needs. It includes plush-lined sections here in the back, which are ideal for delicate items like an iPad mini, a Nintendo Switch or external hard drives. This plush lining does an excellent job of preventing, for example, scratches. It's a welcome upgrade, and for smaller items you got these elastic straps here in the front, a lot of SD card slots and additional compartments to store power banks and other accessories securely. Of course, it's not all about organization. Protection plays a big role here too. The Inateck Crossbody organizer bag is built to last thanks its durable Waikiki zippers here and 804D splash resistant fabric. Plus, I appreciate the reflective details here for extra visibility at night. Carrying comfort is another area where this bag shines. The shoulder strap here is adjustable to 142 centimeters and features a dual swivel clamps and padded design, making it super versatile and comfortable. Even during long days, I also love this quickly release click here, this closure. They're much more flexible than fixed ones and other bags, letting you easily adjust how you carry it. So whether you wear it crossbody over the shoulder or just grab it by its sturdy webbing handles here on the top or here on the side, so it fits your style and your needs. Also, let's not forget how versatile this bag is overall. It works as both as a travel essential and a desktop storage solution. Place it on the desk and the well-organized compartments keep everything at your fingertips without the hassle of digging through a pile of stuff. Honestly, it's the perfect companion for busy professionals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who values efficiency and organization. Now to sum it up. The Inateck Crossbody Organizer Bag FB0 2001 isn't just a bag, it's a well-designed, engineered tool to make your life easier. Stylish, functional, and protective, it covers a lot of bases. That said, there are two small critics worth mentioning though. First, while the splash-resistant fabric holds up to light rain, it isn't waterproof, so if it's pouring, make sure to cover it and protect your expensive gear. Second, I know some viewers have already asked for additional color options beyond the standard black. A bit of variety wouldn't hurt. Alright, finally let's talk about the price. At around $60, it's definitely higher than other Inateck bags I've reviewed. But given the premium features, high quality materials and protection it offers, I would say the price is justified. And you might find discounts on Amazon. Right now it's 40% off, bringing the price down to just $36. Alright, that wraps up today's review of the versatile and practical Inateck Crossbody Organizer Bag FB0 2001. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps to grow this channel and allows me to keep showcasing great products like this one. And hey, if you like this review, you might find this video interesting too. So stick around. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.